Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to clean C drive Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to clean C drive Windows 11 deleting temps. To start, in the search box enter %temp%, click on File folder. After that, in the window, you will select all the files. Click Delete to delete all items. Chapter 2. How to clean C drive Windows 11 emptying the recycle bin. To get started, open File Explorer. In the name bar, enter Recycle and click Recycle Bin. After this, click on Empty Recycle Bin. You must confirm the action by clicking Yes. This will help free up space. Chapter 3. How to clean C drive Windows 11 uninstalling apps. To start, open the Start menu and click on Settings. After that, you are going to go to Apps and then to Installed Apps. Now click on the three dots of the desired application and click Uninstall. You must confirm this again. Click Yes to continue. Some applications have their uninstall assistant. In this case, you just have to follow the steps to uninstall the application from the system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 4. How to clean C drive Windows 11 optimizing the disk. To get started, in the search box, enter defrag. Click on Defragment and Optimize drives. After that, select the C drive. Click on Optimize. You will wait for the disk to be analyzed and the defragmentation operation to be carried out. Chapter 5. How to clean C drive Windows 11 cleaning disk. To start, enter disk in the search box. Click on Disk Cleanup. Select the C drive. Click on OK and wait for the unit to be analyzed. After this, check the boxes that take up space on your hard drive. Click OK and you must confirm the deletion by clicking Delete Files. Chapter 6. How to clean C drive Windows 11 using storage sensor. To start, click on the Start menu and click on Settings. Now you are going to go to System and there click on Storage. Here, check that the Storage Sense switch is enabled. Click on this option. After this, in this section, you can configure each of the options as you consider best to help you free up space on the hard drive. To complete this process, click Run Storage Sense now. You're going to wait for it to finish. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.